Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time. It is time to do another unboxing, and today we have two. We have two, and I even brought out my book to look at how rare these cars are. I don't think they're incredibly rare, but we will find out. Now, I haven't opened these boxes, but I did cut the tape a little bit just to make it a little faster so I can get these boxes open a little faster. So we're going to put this one aside for the moment, and we'll start with this one. Let's see what we got. We got more tape. I didn't know that was going to happen. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. All right. Lots of padding. That's a good thing. I should try to hide the car a little bit from you. All right. This is what we got today. Wow. Okay. It is an XL 500 T-Jet. The chrome appears to be very nice. Could be replacement. It wasn't supposed to be. I don't know if it really is, but I'll tell you what. If it's not replacement chrome, that's pretty good chrome. The rims are lacking a little chrome, but I don't care. I could buy new ones if I wanted. The posts are really, really good. Perfect, actually. If there's any such thing as perfect. But yes, it's got a nice shine. I don't see any scratches on it. I would say that this is a very nice car. Now, I knew it was coming, so I'm going to take a look in my book here and to the XL 500 page. See if I can move my book into place. And we'll see what it says about... Come on. Let's see what it says about XL 500s. Okay, so the red one is... it's a number 4. It's a number 4. So number 4 is pretty common car. But I'll tell you what. Go buy one of these. And then you tell me how common it is. You know, these are not cheap. These are not cheap car. I won this on eBay. And I didn't pay a fortune for it, but I paid a pretty good amount of money. It wasn't cheap. It wasn't cheap to win that auction. All right, let's go on to number 2. Let's go on to the second box of the day. And again, I cut the tape and stuff just to make this a little quicker. Looks like I might have missed a piece. Okay. I missed a piece. See, I told you I didn't open it. All right. This is a celebratory one. Look at that. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay. All right. This one. All right. I hate it when they do this and they make it really, really hard to get it open, especially when I don't have the right thing to open this with. Here, let me see if I got something else here. Bear with me. Try this. Try some good old-fashioned scissors. Whenever you open your cars, though, be careful. Be careful. I'm going to try to be careful right now. Ah. Dang. See, this is what I try to avoid. That's why I try to get some of the packaging open a little bit first, so we don't have to take up a lot of your time. We'll still see what we got and not get crazy about things. Okay, I already know what this is because I knew it was coming. Are you ready? I think you already saw a part of it. All right, this is what we got today, and I already have a couple of these, but I wanted one that I could use to race with, because I don't technically usually like to race with my good cars. So I usually have one that I race and one that I just keep nice, and this one I happen to have. This was a third one. But anyways, this car is excellent in my opinion. It's nice and clean. You know, on these, the black, in my opinion anyways, tends to scuff fairly easily. This silver also, often you'll see, you know, scratches in the number 5, especially on the roof. The chrome on this car looks excellent. Honestly, this car to me almost looks like it's brand new. I know there's a little tiny dot in the front, but it's almost nothing. This car, wow, this car really looks really good. It looks really good. And then the bottom, nice and clean, nice car. I don't know if that's really the chassis that came on it. You know, and sometimes people change their pickup shoes. I don't know, but it looks, well, these pickup shoes have never been used. So, you know, was this car ever used? I don't know. Also, the posts are often broken on all of, you know, any type of AFX body, but these posts are perfect. And again, the paint to me looks pretty much flawless. Let's see what the book says about it. Again, I won this in an auction, and I knew it was coming, so I was ready on the right page of the book here. So they say that a orange, red, and white number 5 is a number 4, which again is not incredibly hard to get. And I would agree. I mean, you know, they're out there. I think they're getting tougher to get. But let me say this, tougher to get in this kind of condition. Because people like me hog up the good ones, and then there's only junk left over. I know, I'm bad. But anyways, maybe you guys are bad too. I don't know. But I really like this, and I also really like this. And I hope that you really enjoyed this unboxing with me today. If you can like and subscribe, if you haven't, I would really, truly appreciate it. And I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments section. And, you know, I got a lot of videos now, and a lot gets past me, and, you know, I'm like, I go back and I see somebody commented like 3 months ago, and I'm like, oh my God, you know, I gotta, you know, do something for this person, because I really try to get back to all of you, but sometimes I don't see it for a while. So anyways, one last look at the cars, and I will talk to you later. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.